Hello Stamper, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm Frances Martin, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up, and today it's to share a new product, the Big Shot Embossing Mat. So I'm going to share with you how that works. Let's get started with, this is when you're going to order it. Let me move the Big Shot a minute here. You're going to have those three pieces here. So I call this the white, I call this the gray, and I call this the blue. I get, because it went on my thing, it's kind of dirty. It's because on my plate there. So this here, I had put a number, to be honest, number 9, I think, or 10. In the direction, you got it right here. The blue, it's number 10. The gray, it's number 9. And the white, it's number 8. So just remember that. This is 10. This is 8. 9. 10, 9, and 8. Me, when I'm going to do my video, I'm going to refer the blue, the gray, and the white. So first, let's get one of our, I'm using the detailed dragonfly. We're gonna cut one first, just like regular. You use your platform. Let me make sure. Here we go. So I got my platform. I put my adapter, and I'm gonna put a clear plate. That's where all that white stuff. It's a whole plate that I got. Now I'm using just my outside of my framelit, my dragonfly. We're gonna cut that. It's a few things we can do with that. So this is just the regular. So I just want to share with you, like for regular cutting, you use the same old ways, okay? Now, let's say that you want to emboss this shape here. Now, anytime you're using the new adapter or the embossing platform there, do not use the thin die adapter. Remove that. Now the first one I'm going to share, you're going to put your clear plate there. So you get your regular Big Shot platform, a clear plate. Now I'm going to use this and put it in my matching die that get the detail. So I'm going to put that like this, facing up. So the cutting, yes, it's facing up. I almost got a heart attack when I tried that. I'm like, I'm going to cut my mat. No, it's built for that. So that it's facing up. So when you get a shape that it's already cut out that you want to do, you're going to use the gray mat. Put it on top. Make sure that it stays together in here. Here we go. Then I'm going to use the white platform. Put it on top, roll this through. And then, it didn't cut. I used to do that with a gasket, but now this is so much easier. Now just peel that out. Let me use my poker still. Just to make sure. You could use your brush too. That would work even better, I think. I didn't bring my brush. Here we go. Now, see all your piece still attached to it. It's all embossed. See? Some of the cardstock maybe will crack, but most of the time it don't. You can see the shape, all the embossed, correct? It make it very fun. Now, let's say this size here, it's to do a card. I'm going to do the same thing. My platform, a clear plate, my piece that first, my dragonfly that I want to emboss, the cutting facing up, or I did it both ways. You can put it down too. It's just give different embossing. We're going to do it up like the instruction. So I would look the way I want it, like this. Put it down. Now this one is just the blue embossing. When you don't have a piece already cut out, it's just the blue. Now the white plate, and let's roll it through. This one is very, very light. Very, very light. See, it didn't cut. And let's remove this. And voila! You get all your embossing. So this is how to use your new product that it's called the Big Shot Embossing Mat. So you get the blue, the gray, and the white. This is it, my friend. Let me show you again both. So one, see, it don't cut. This one we cut it regular and then emboss on top of it. So hope you enjoyed this. Till next time, happy stamping, my friend. Bye-bye for now.